Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can change your Facebook birth date. For that, you need to open your Facebook app. Then on the top right corner, you can see the three-line icon. Just tap on it. Then this will access to the setting. Then here at the button, you can see setting and privacy. Just tap on it. Then tap on settings. Here on the top you can see the see more option, just tap on it. Then here are a bunch of options, you just need to tap on the personal details option, tap on it. Then you will be guided to this page where you can see the birthday option, just tap on it. Then here is the edit option, just tap on the edit. Then from here you can change any birthday you like to. Then tap on the set option. Then you can save here your birthday. On the bottom you can see the save option, just tap on it. Then you'll be asked whether you want to confirm the changes to your birthday. If you want to confirm, then choose on confirm, or if you don't want, then you can also cancel it and reset it again. Just I'm tapping on confirm option. Now your birthday has already been changed, so I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, and subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.